Your Japan apartment could be rebuilt even if you live overseas. In 2026, Japan changed its condominium law, and many foreign investors still don't understand what changed. For years, old apartment buildings in Japan faced serious problems. Buildings were aging, owners were aging too, and important decisions often became impossible because some owners disappeared, passed away, or never responded. So Japan changed the rules. Now, important decisions can move forward more easily, based mainly on owners who actually attend meetings. This could make rebuilding, redevelopment, and large repair projects much easier. For foreign owners, this creates new risks. If you live overseas and don't participate in meetings, you may have less influence than before. That could mean higher repair costs, redevelopment pressure, or major building changes you didn't expect. But some investors are actually excited about this law. Why? Because many old buildings in Tokyo, Osaka, and other major cities may now become easier to redevelop. That could improve property values and create new investment opportunities. In the future, location and building management may matter even more than yield. Because not all old apartments will survive equally. Japan's property market is changing fast, and many foreign investors still don't realize it.